Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so I want to give you guys a quick fix for the situation I had a couple days ago. I was at a Home Depot and spent about 30 minutes in the Home Depot, got something, came out and tried to start my car, and my car wouldn't start. Now, before I go on to how I diagnosed and fixed this issue, I want to tell you that I've had kind of this issue for like the last, I would say like a couple weeks. Now, normally I was I was able to get this started. All right, I was able to get this started. Every time that I had this issue, it just took me a couple tries to get it started. However, this situation a couple days ago was a little bit different, and I had to actually get inside my car because the remote wouldn't work. So I had to use the key on the remote. So if you guys have this situation, you guys want to definitely take that little key out. Look at your key, the ring that's connected to. There's a little push button on your remote. Push the button and pretty much the key will release. It's a little key. If you guys can't get into your car, use that key to get inside your car. So I was able to get inside, and I try to get it started. And you guys have this situation, depending on which car you have, it's gonna key not found. It doesn't recognize the key. Sometimes there'll be a green no key light. But essentially, it's a situation where it didn't crank and it didn't start, and it says key not detected, key not found. That was the situation. All right. So essentially, when I came across that situation, I was like, you know what? Let me try to figure out a quick fix to it. It's probably not something that's difficult to do as far as trying to but to be honest with you, I was just a little situations like that where your vehicle works fine, have been working fine for a long while, and then you get that situation. Normally it's a little bit of money signs go through your head. It's gonna consume your time, etc., to get where the fix is going, and you think it's like a big deal. For me, I had this situation happen before, and a similar situation was now it could be the ignition switch, or it could be the push start, or it could be the key fob that either has a battery issue, whether it's strained, or the key fob needs to be reprogrammed for whatever reason. Now, here's what I did. In this situation. All right. If you guys are stuck in this situation, first thing you guys want to do, all right, particularly with this set of scenario where it says where it has a message, there's key not detected, key not found. You have like a little key light on your dash. What you guys want to do, what you guys essentially want to do is this. All right. First thing you guys want to do is you guys want to check to see whether the key on your remote is good or not. All right, that's the first thing you guys want to do. All right, out of all the things you guys want to do, that's the first thing you want to do. Now in some cars, you get a crank no start situation. In newer cars, there's a no crank no start situation. Both those situations, it's very common that a lot of people have these situations because the fob key battery is dead. It's an easy fix. It's an easy thing to diagnose. battery, a flat battery is like $5, $6. Not very expensive, relatively speaking. But if you guys are stuck in this situation, and if you guys are stuck in this situation, you guys actually need to get your vehicle started. I did fix my issue because it did turn out to be the battery. Obviously, my first thought on that was I couldn't get the car doors, the power locks to work. All right, I pretty much knew at that point, as far as troubleshooting is concerned, I pretty much knew at that point that was the issue. However, I'm going to give you guys another scenario where you guys can figure out whether this is the issue or not. All right. Now, if you guys have push start, you guys can use the corner of the remote. All right, and use the corner of the remote to push the push start. Literally use the corner of the remote to push the push start. All right. 99% of the time, if it's the key fob battery that's dead, your car will start. And the reason why it will start is it's like static electricity. It's like wireless charging. It puts out enough, your car itself puts out enough of a electric signal onto the key itself that it'll be able to recognize the key and then start it. All right, that's how you guys could figure out in this situation. That's how you guys can get out of the situation that you're in. Now, I was at the Home Depot. There was a Walgreens next to me. There was a Walgreens across the street. It was in the strip mall. Lots of different stores. So I went and I got the flat battery. I popped it in. It worked. But if you guys are in this situation where you guys are not close to an area where you guys can get to a battery and change it out, you guys can start your vehicle that way. It'll resolve the situation until you guys get one of those flat batteries, key batteries, remote batteries, and put it in the remote. Now, to be honest with you, these situations could be caused by a bunch of different things. All right, there could be a bunch of different stuff that could actually, a bunch of different malfunctions in your vehicle that could cause this situation. Could be a fuse, could be a whole bunch of other things, but that's not what this video is about. I'm giving you guys a quick fix. Definitely check out your key fob and essentially help yourself out of the situation by, if you guys are in a situation where you guys can't change out the battery, just put the remote to the push start. Push it with your remote at the corner of the remote. You should able to start your vehicle. Anyway, hopefully this has helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, you guys have any of your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, definitely leave a question. All that good stuff, right guys? Take care.